Scramble it. The cube has been scrambled. On the side with the yellow center, assemble the 4 white edge pieces. Start by looking for them on the side. Here's a white edge piece. Move it up. Here's another white edge piece. Move it up. Here's another white edge piece. Move it up. Here's another white edge piece. Move the top aside first. Move it up from here. The 4 white edge pieces are now in place. You don't need to worry about the white corner pieces. Step 2. Move the white edge pieces to the bottom layer. Before turning, check that the side of the white piece is red. Move this edge piece to the side with the yellow center. Move it from here. Align it with the red center. Turn it down, turn once, then turn again. This side is blue. Align it with the blue center, then move it over. Now it's aligned with the orange center. This side is green. Align it with the green center and move it over. After aligning it, the 4 white edge pieces have been moved to the bottom layer. Flip the cube over. Now the white cross is formed. Step 3. Use a simple formula to solve the 4 corner pieces. Look at the sides of the bottom layer. Find a corner piece with white on it. Here's one. The side next to it is red. Turn the top 2 layers. Align the red center. After aligning the red center, face it toward you. Now use the formula. Down, turn, and return. Continue searching below. There are no more below. There's one on the top. Move it down. Move it down, turn, and return. Now it's in place. The side is blue. Turn the top 2 layers. Align the blue center. Face it toward you and use the formula. Down, turn, and return. Here's another one. The side is green. Turn the top 2 layers. Align the green center. Use the formula. Down, turn, and return. Here's another white corner piece. This side is green. Turn the top 2 layers. Align the green center. Down, turn, and return. Now, the first layer is solved. Step 3 is complete. Now, on to step 4 to solve the middle layer. Move the solved layer to the bottom. The 4 edge pieces in the middle layer need to be solved. Look for them in the top layer. This edge piece belongs to the second layer. 3 pieces of the same color are aligned. The top is red. The red center is on the left-hand side. First, move this edge piece to the right-hand side here. Turn it once and it moves over. Then perform the algorithm. Up dash left dash down dash left dash clockwise dash right dash counterclockwise. Continue restoring the edge pieces. 3 identical colors lined up together. The top is red. The red center is on the right-hand side. Move this edge piece to the left-hand side. Turn it once. Then perform the algorithm. Up dash right dash down dash right dash left dash clockwise. Keep looking, here's another one. 3 identical colors lined up together. The top is orange. The orange center is on the right-hand side. First, move this edge piece to the left-hand side. Turn it once. Perform the algorithm. Up dash right dash down dash right dash left dash clockwise. Now the second layer is restored. Step 5. Make the top face all the same color, yellow. Two yellow corner pieces are missing. The top face looks like a Chinese character for Earth. Let the head of the character point to the back. Then perform this algorithm. Down dash right dash up dash right dash down dash right dash up. Now it becomes a cross shape. Find a pair of matching side pieces. Let this matching pair face the left hand. Perform the same algorithm as before. Down dash right dash up dash right dash down dash right dash up. Now it becomes a fish shape with a head and a tail. Let the fish's head point to the upper left corner. Perform the same algorithm as before. Down dash right dash up dash right dash down dash right dash up. Now the top face's color is restored. Final step. Adjust the side colors of the top layer. Find a pair of matching colors. This pair doesn't match. This pair matches. Both corner pieces are red. Face the top towards yourself. Face yourself. Let the matching pair of red pieces be on the right-hand side. Perform this algorithm. Up dash down dash left dash down dash left dash down dash right dash up. Down dash left dash down dash left dash down dash left dash down dash right. After performing this, realign the cube. Observe the side faces again. Turn the top layer. All 4 corner pieces are correct. But the 4 edge pieces in the middle are still incorrect. Just randomly face one side. Let the yellow face point upward. Perform this algorithm. Up dash right dash up dash left dash up dash left dash up dash right dash down dash right dash down dash down. Look at one side and it's restored. Now there are 3 edge pieces with incorrect positions. Face the restored side towards the back. Look at the front face. This edge piece's color is blue. Check the left-hand center and right-hand center. The blue edge piece. The blue center is on the right-hand side. Then perform this algorithm. Up dash right dash up dash left dash up dash left dash up dash right dash down dash right dash down dash down. And the Rubik's Cube is restored.